Hey folks, I'm William Frew, your video plumber, coming at you with another tip of the day, how to change your furnace filters. And what are all these numbers on these furnace filters anyways? MERV-16 is good for contaminants, smoke. If you have allergies, MERV-16 might be the way to go. Majority of homes are going to have a 1-inch filter. Now we can get up to a 16 MERV, or we can go all the way down to a 3 MERV. We as humans, when we breathe, we filter air at an 8 MERV. So generally, if we want clean air, we want to stay 8 and above. Now what is an 8 MERV and what is a 3 MERV? Generally, a 3 MERV, if you could see through your filter, it's generally not a good filter to have. If you could see through it, it's not going to block all the contaminants that are in the air. And here we have an 11 MERV. An 11 MERV filter is generally going to be a little thicker. So you might have to change it every month instead of every 3 months. Another thing that I recommend when changing out your furnace filter, grab yourself a Sharpie and write the date on it. That way there, you know exactly when you need to change it again. I recommend changing your furnace filter every 3 months. So when changing out your furnace filter, first thing that you need to do, let's turn it off. And put this back in. You notice the direction of airflow? Air comes down through our return air, through our furnace filter, into our furnace, through our evaporator, and out to the house. Let's put the cover back on our Lennox home filtration air system. Let's turn our furnace back on. And that's your tip for today, how to change your furnace filter with Sunshine Video Plumber.